Hey guys, it's Candace the Grandest, and today's video was highly requested. I'm going to be giving you guys a full apartment tour. Stay tuned. Come on in, guys. Welcome to my humble abode. I've actually been here for a few years now. We're gonna start off with the kitchen, and in here, I'm the top chef. Even Rachel Ray and Emerald Lagasse don't want the smoke with me in here, okay? Yep, I said it. This apartment didn't have upgraded amenities, which I'm fine with. I'm not only saving money, but I got a much larger space. And guys, can we just take a moment to appreciate the organization? Yes, your girl is always on point. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. I'm going to be featuring a lot of these things on my Amazon haul. All those years of watching HGTV paid off. Your girl has skills. This was actually a DIY that I did myself. I was bored during the pandemic, needed something to do, so I installed this peel and stick marble contact paper and peel and stick backsplash. I totally love using white dishes. It makes your plating and presentation so much better. All of these I got from Target. Comment below and let me know if you guys want a cabinet tutorial as well. Wine glasses are from IKEA, and everyday glassware is from Bed Bath & Beyond. And you guys might be asking, girl, why do you have so many dishes? I don't know, I just love to entertain. And this base that's holding my utensils is actually a planter that I found at Target, but I thought it was cute to repurpose it this way instead. The things that I rarely use, I store them away so I have more counter space. I also posted a pantry and fridge organization tutorial, so make sure you guys check that one out after this one. I'll be sure to link it below in the description section. Guys, if you don't invest in anything else, make sure you invest in a great pot set. I got this from Target and Bed Bath & Beyond. We're not burning up any more food in 2021, okay? Get you this nice pot set. It's going to enhance the quality and taste of your food. Next up is my guest bathroom. And what have you guys noticed so far? Yes, you're right. I have my two favorite colors consistently throughout my entire apartment. The aqua is very calming, while the lime green helps to enhance my creativity. I love to host, and part of being a great host is making sure that your guests feel right at home and have all the amenities that they need. Now for my home studio and office space. This is where the real magic happens. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you know that I've transformed this room a ton of times. It's my second favorite space in my entire apartment. You can also consider it my woman's cave. I'm also a seamstress and I design clothing, so sometimes this table is converted into my pattern making table. I love sitting in front of this big bow window because a lot of the natural sunlight comes in, and I have a great view of the lake and palm trees in my backyard. If I had my way, I would revamp every single room in this apartment. But for now, I'm going to stick with a contemporary unisex look with a splash of color. And babes, everything in here was budget friendly and affordable. Comment below and let me know if you want tips on how to convert a room into a home studio or office space. And again, a lot of these items are going to be on my Amazon haul, so make sure you subscribe. Now this desk over to my left, this is where the bills get paid, invoices get made, and my designs get slayed. I fell in love with this board as soon as I saw it on Amazon, so much that I ended up buying two, and the installation was pretty easy. I ended up printing pictures that I had in my vision board and turned it into a gallery wall. And this side is all about fashion, things that I've sewn and hauls that I plan on posting. Next on the list is my dining space. I've had so much fun here, entertaining, laughing, enjoying good conversation, good company, and great food. It's definitely the space for me. Not only does it fit a 6-seat dining table, but also 2 bookshelves. I wanted to give the space some dimension. That's the reason for adding the bookshelves. I normally style it with wine glasses or wine bottles, but right now I have my seasonal decor. Next up, laundry room and storage space. Guys, I know what it looks like. I promise I'm not a hoarder. Right above my washer and dryer, I have all of my cleaning supplies, cleaning and drying cloths, laundry detergents, irons that I rarely use, and extra dishes for when I'm entertaining. Here's my living room. This happens to be my favorite space, and I get so many compliments. And this couch was worth every penny spent. It's the most comfortable couch ever. The minute you sit down, you feel like you're sinking into a cloud. And for the best at-home theater quality sound, I recommend this Vizio soundbar. It feels like I have a DJ in my living room. And every single picture that you see on these walls, I designed and framed myself. I wanted something that represented my hometown of New York, Paris, Dubai, and Thailand. We all have that one thing that's so hard to let go of. I know you guys do too, and I get clowned, but I consider it vintage. Yes, next up is my patio. It is so peaceful out here. I just lounge around with my AirPods or iPad, and it's always a vibe. And it only cost me about $250 to create this. The benches are from Big Lots. Hurricane candles are from Michael's. And in the nighttime, I just turn on these string patio lights, and it is so beautiful out here. Wait, what did Brandy say?
I'll be sitting up in my room, back here thinking about you.
Or whatever. Here's the bedroom tour. No pun intended, but every queen needs a king. And I absolutely love how spacious my bedrooms are. I totally forgot to mention that my bedroom and living set is from City Furniture, and my dining set is from Rooms to Go. Yep, you guessed it right. Most of these decor items are a mix of Target, Amazon, and Bed Bath & Beyond. I install these LED lights on the back of my headboard because at night it creates such a mood. And it's flickering on camera, but it doesn't do this in person. The frames to the left I also made myself. It's my favorite sunrises from all my favorite cities. I know my subbies are nosy and you want to see what's in the drawers and make sure I'm consistently organized. Yes, she is, honey. She does not skip a beat. Top drawer, remotes and journals. Middle drawer, all things satin. And last drawer, socks just in case my feet get cold. And here's a fun fact. I own 33 robes. I have an obsession with pajamas. And sorry guys, I can't show this one. It's my lingerie drawer, and I don't want creeps in my comments. Then we have my gym attire next to my work from home attire. See, even when I go to bed, I have to be fashionable. Left drawer is pajama t-shirts, right drawer is pajama pants, and I love sleeping in grays, pinks, purples, and blues. My left nightstand has my costume jewelry, mani and pedi supplies, and my bathing suits. Moving right along, here's my powder room. This is where I get glammed and beautified. I do my hair, I do my nails, and I do my makeup. Down in the lower cabinet is where I store my shea butters, my moisturizers, my lotions, my blow dryer, and flat irons. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you'll notice that this is where I take most, if not all, my selfies. And here's my master bathroom. No tub, but I prefer a stand-in shower. This is where I do all my singing, and I hit my high notes and I can give Mariah Carey a run for her money. I told you, baby, organization is always on beat. This is my linen closet. Up here I have all of my summer essentials. My jade roller, my facial masks, my sprays, my suntan oils, you name it. Next row, we have my washcloths and loofahs. I love my loofahs. My bath towels and satin sheet sets that I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. Then down here, I keep my beach and pool towels, extra blankets just in case my guests get cold, stock shampoo and conditioner, and items that are perfect for massages. And to keep my drawers and closets smelling nice and fresh, I stick one of these in each of them. And I know some of you girls couldn't wait to get to this part. This is the Candace the Grandest closet. Yes, my dream closet come true. Guys, I'm going to save the organizational tips for another video, but I will say on my left side I have all of my spring-summer fashions, right side I have all of my fall-winter fashions, and I organize everything according to sleeve height, color, and style. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed filming it for you. I hope it inspires you to get creative and think outside the box when it comes to your style. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. Also share this video with others that you think might need some inspiration on how they should organize and decorate. Comment below and tell me some of your favorite parts of this tour, and also some suggestions on other videos that you'd like to see on this channel. I love you guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!